S4, Chapter 9, Rational Function, Lesson 2. Last chapter, we learned multiplication and division for the rational function. That means like the fraction. For this lesson, we'll learn plus and minus. But before we do the example, we do a revision. So for primary, when we want to add 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, actually we will look at the base and then find the LCM. If they are not the same, actually we just time each other, so 2 times 3, and then do the cross, so it becomes 3 and then plus 2, so it is 5 over 6. Actually quite similar. Okay, let's look at this example. We have 1 over 1 plus x plus 1 over 1 minus x. So you see, the denominator are different. So we can multiply each other and then do the cross. So 1 minus x and then plus, then this one times 1, so it becomes 1 plus x. Then we can simplify. 1 plus 1, 2, and negative x, positive x, so actually opposite. So we can cancel it. So finally, it's 2 over 1 plus x times 1 minus x. Now for normal question, we just put it to the answer. But sometimes we need to do the rainbow for denominator. But for the written question, this is the answer. Okay, let's try to do this question. Okay, let's check it. First, we'll see denominator. Okay, they are not the same, so we multiply. So 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3, and then do the cross. So 2x plus 3, and then this one 1 times 2 minus 3, so plus 2x minus 3. And then 2x, so 2x plus 2x, 4x, and 3 minus 3, actually 0. So that means denominator is 2x minus 3, and then 2 plus 3, 2x plus 3. And then let's see the answer. Oh, very sad, no 1. But actually you can see denominator. That means we need to do the expansion, okay, for this case. So we can do the rainbow, 2x, so 4x squared, and then plus 6x, and then minus 6x, finally minus 9. So these two cancel. So it becomes 4x squared minus 9. So the answer is D. Now try to do this question. This question, same, we look at denominator, totally different. So we can multiply each other. And then for numerator, we use time. So it becomes 2 open bracket 1 minus 6x. And then next is this one. Then plus 3 bracket 4x minus 5. Then we simplify, that means do the rainbow. So 2 and then minus 12x, and then continue plus 12x minus 15. We can see, oh, these two actually opposite, so we can cancel it. And then for number 2 and then negative 15, so negative 13. So 4x minus 5 and 1 minus 6x, so it is the answer. Now let's see another case, the minus case. First, look at the denominator, they are different, so we can multiply. And then actually same step, do a cross, so 1 times x minus 1. And now for this one, we will consider the negative. So it's negative times x plus 1. Remember, put bracket, very, very important. Then we do the simplification, simplify the x minus 1, and then minus x rainbow, minus 1. Then x plus 1 times x minus 1. X and then minus x, so cancel. So it remains negative 1, so it becomes negative 2. So is this the answer? Now try to do 2009. Okay, let's check it. For this question, you can see the denominator, they are different. So multiply, so a minus 2, 1 minus a, and then do the cross. This one times this one, 1 minus a, and next a minus 2 times negative 2, so it becomes negative 2 bracket a minus 2. Then we simplify. So 1 minus a minus 2a plus 4, and denominator a minus 2, 1 minus a. 1 and 4, it is 5. And then these two, negative a, negative 2a, so negative 3a. A minus 2, 1 minus a. Then we'll check which one is correct. You see the denominator, or a minus 1, a minus 2. And for the numerator, 3, a minus 3, 3a minus 1, 3a minus 5, very similar. Okay, but actually you can compare the denominator first. A minus 1, a minus 2, this one is minus 2, 1 minus a. Actually, this one and this one is opposite. So we need to take the negative out. So that means after taking the negative, it becomes a minus 1. Get it? Because this negative take out, so it becomes positive. And then this positive, we take the negative out, so it becomes negative. So you see the denominator same, a minus 2, a minus 1. And for this negative, actually we can give to the numerator. So it becomes negative 5, right? And then negative times negative 3a, so it becomes positive 3a. So a minus 2, a minus 1. So the answer is D. Finally, try to do this question. Okay, let's check it. First, see the denominator. This time, now they are different, but actually they are quite similar. Because it is 1 minus x, for this one 1 minus x, this one is k minus 1. Actually, it is totally opposite. Totally opposite. You see, 1, negative 1, negative k, k. So that means if we put this negative to denominator, the negative k become k. 1 then become negative 1. Okay, now I repeat. This negative give to denominator, this one become positive, and then negative 1. So positive k minus 1. Then you can see, wow, denominator same. Then we just subtract the numerator. Same, cancel, cancel. So the answer is 1. So answer is A. Lastly, try to do this question. For this question, we can see the denominator. Actually, it is about the square. So we'll do the factorization. So for the first term, the denominator is xx and 1, 1. So our target is negative 2, so minus 1, minus 1. And for the second term, minus, so x square, so it will be xx. And for 2, 1, 2. Our target is positive x, so that means plus 2 minus 1. Then we can find they have one common term. That means for this term, we are missing x plus 2. So we'll put x plus 2 here. And then for that one, this 1x minus 1 here. That means it misses one more x minus 1. So we'll time here. So become minus open bracket x minus 1. So for denominator is x minus 1 square because square, and then with this one. And then for numerator we simplify, so x plus 2 minus x plus 1, rainbow. And then denominator no change. And then x minus x, so 0. Then 2 plus 1, so become 3. So the answer is equal to C.